Welcome back to this review of Investia's financial modeling tools. In this video, we are going to be looking at a tool created to help you to put together a table of contents for your financial model. I'm sure you're wondering what a table of contents is, because usually if you look at most Excel spreadsheets, you don't have a table of contents. But however, if you look at books, whenever you're reading any book, and you look at the first couple of pages, you'll find that there's a table of contents, which helps you quite a bit because it helps you to get a sense of what is included in the book. So you can see the different chapters, sub-chapters, and so forth. You can choose to jump to certain pages if you like to do that, or certain chapters, which means you just check where they're located and you go to that specific space. And really, when you're talking about a table of contents for your financial model, this is exactly what we're talking about. So let me give you an example. We have this financial model here, which is the MAT financial model cover page 01A. And what we've done here is that we've created a table of contents. Now, this gives you a sense of what you'll find in the financial model. These are the different sheets, Finstat Actual, Finstat KES, USD, all the way in. And that's the first level of grouping. If I go to the second level of grouping here, it then opens what are the different items which are in this specific sheet, and it will be looking at the items which have been pasted on column A. So for instance, if I go to the Finstat Actual, there's something called the balance sheet check, and that's the only item that's been pasted on column A. If I go to the fixed assets, you'll see here we have depreciation of ongoing buildings and machinery, and maybe I'll click on that. And remember what I mentioned, you can double click. So if you just double click, it takes you there. And so as you can tell, it gives you that this is one main header we have in the financial model. This is a second main header that you have in the financial model, and so forth. And if I want to move back, all I have to do is press F5 on my keyboard and then click enter, and that will take me back. Now, if I click on the third option here, again, now it shows me what is included, not on column A now, but it goes to column B, the sub header. And here I can see in the different sheets what are the different items which have been included. And so, for instance, I can see in the Finstat Actual sheet, I have these subheaders. I have the statement of comprehensive income, statement of financial position, statement of cash flows, and so forth. And if I want to click on that, I can do that quite easily. And that gives you a sense of what the table of contents is. It helps you to move around and so forth. So, how do you use the Investia financial modeling audit and review tools to create a table of contents? I'm going to do that very quickly. So the first thing I'll do, I'll delete what is there already. I'll use a shortcut, Alt-E-L, and there you have it. I've deleted it. And if you want to use Investia financial modeling audit and review tools to create a table of contents, all you have to do is make sure that that is installed. We have the installation video much earlier. So you come in here and you'll find table of contents, and you just click on create table of contents. Now remember, what you have to do here is you have to choose where do you expect the different heading levels to be. So in this case, we're saying that heading level 1 is going to be in column A, and remember column A is there. Column B has heading level 2, and so forth. And so all I have to do now is just click OK on this. And once I click OK, the tools do their magic, and there you have your table of contents. And so very easily now, if I want to go to the full selection, I click on number 4 here. And if I click on number 4, it shows me how my sheets are organized. You have the sheets here, which have been indicated, Finstat Actual, and so forth. And then I have my level A headings, which is the balance sheet and so forth, balance sheet check. This is anything I have included in column A. Everything I've included in column B is then included as my second level headings, and that is what you can see, 1.01, 1.02. And level C then is what you have after that. So for instance, if I came in here and I click on statement of financial position, you'll see quite easily here that this is what has been included at level 2, and current assets is level 3. I press F5 enter, it takes me back. And so there you have it. That's how you create a quick table of contents on your financial model. Very helpful if you're trying to figure out what is in the financial model before you start reading it, before you start reviewing it. And so if you're interested in the financial modeling tools, be sure to reach out to us or just visit our website, and we'll be able to connect you to how you can be able to get to use those. In the next couple of videos, we continue going through the different tools that we have and the Investia financial modeling tools and review. Thank you very much.